London will be your first Olympic Games.
Yep.
What do you expect about this party of sports?
I'm very excited. I think just the prospects of the entire Olympics. I grew up watching them. Grew up a big fan of really every sport. So it's going to be a tremendous experience for each and every one of us, whether you've been there before or not. So I'm definitely looking forward to it.
The last great championship you played was the World Championship in Turkey. It's supposed to you a great improve from the year before. Do you expect the same this competition?
Yeah, I hope so. I hope we continue to get better. I hope that myself individually I continue to get better, and there's no standing still. You just got to continue the forward motion, and that's it.
Do you think that it could happen to Anthony Davis, for example?
Yeah, I hope so. I mean, he hasn't got any time under his belt from in the NBA, so I hope it happens for him too, because he's a good player, works hard.